Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sabrina Maria here with another video for you guys. Welcome back to all of my subscribers, and if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you can see more videos from me. Today's video is a hair video from Luvme Hair. Y'all, I love this company. I've been shopping with them for about 3 years and I've always been satisfied with their hair. They never disappoint. So let's see what they have in here. We have a headband wig with some headbands, some goodies. Make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm giving y'all some real good hot information about their promotion they have going on just in time for the holidays. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and keep on watching this video because I'm gonna give you all the details in the video about their promotion. Okay, so let's see what they have in this box. So they have this little cute bag with their logo on it. I love it. I love little bags like this because I can just keep it in my purse and like keep my little hair stuff in there. Like, you know, they have like a little scarf in there. I could keep my comb in there, elastic band, whatever I need for my hair, I can keep it right in this bag. I love getting little bags like this. This is so cute. They got some hairpins in here. They got some clips. Oh, I love that Luvme clip. That is so cute. I like that. Very trendy. Super cute. You know, like I said, everything that comes in, you can never have too many edge shamer brushes. Never. I probably got like 6 of them and I seem to lose. So they gave me some cute headbands too. Let's see what they have. This first one is like a cute little like suede kind of, I guess you could say, or a velvet kind of headband with some pearls in it. That's super cute. I think I'm gonna try that one. But that's cute. I have nothing like that. I have so many headband wigs, but I always looking for more headbands. Cute polka dot, animal print, so cute. And then a cute gray one that is so cute. I love getting multiple headband wigs. So we're gonna go ahead and look at this hair. That's what we came here for. Come in a cute drawstring bag. We're gonna go ahead and take it out. This is a 20-inch headband wig in Jerry Curl. Okay. One thing I like about this hair, just from looking at it, first of all, just from taking it out of a bag, it does not stink. Y'all know all of my videos when I get hair, I smell it because if it stinks, it just bothers me. But this hair does not have a smell. It does not, so that's good. But let's go ahead and take a look at the construction of the wig. It is basically like a typical headband wig, which I love. It has the 3 combs in the front. I like that. And then there's a comb in the back. And then of course you have the elastic band attached to it. This is for an average cap size. It's just like a regular size. It's not like really big. It's not small, but it's like the perfect size. So that's really, really good. I love it. It's very soft. As you can see, I'm easily able to run my fingers through it. But when I put it on, you guys are going to be able to really see how it looks. So y'all stay tuned. I'm about to put this hair on, okay? But first of all, before I put this wig on, I want to talk to you about my hair. So first of all, some of y'all know I'm like in transitioning period. I'm not sure what I want to do with my hair. I have natural hair, but I also have some relaxed hair as well, okay? One thing I love about headband wigs is that they're perfect for all hair types, whether you're natural, whether you have processed hair, whether you have edges, whether you don't have edges, whether your hair is struggling, a headband wig is for you, honey. It is, because you can place it wherever you want. I personally like to leave my edges out and put it on my hair. It's a perfect protective style. I do not have to apply. I can moisturize my hair, which is I normally do. I condition my hair, put my oil treatments in, put my stocking cap on, and my hair is nice and moisturized and protected under my headband wig. I don't have to apply any glue. I don't have to apply any got-to-be, any hairspray, none of that. My hair is protected and my hair can still remain healthy when wearing a headband wig, and especially when wearing a quality headband wig. And let me tell you, I stand by Luvme Hair. I have never gotten a bad wig from Luvme. I have never gotten a bad wig from Luvme. So y'all might want to check it out. It's time for y'all to go ahead and shop like right now. Like, go ahead, go to their website and check it out. Okay, so I have the wig on and I love it. It fits good. The elastic band went on good and they left enough space for the elastic band to go around. I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up so y'all can see how it looks in the back. Look how clean that is in the back. My hair is covered completely. So I'm telling y'all, I don't care what type of hair y'all have, this is for you. So I'm going to go ahead and get my wide tooth comb and I'm just going to comb through it because I want it to have a nice big fluffy look. First of all, look how easy it is for me to comb through this hair. Like a lot of times when you get wigs that are curly and you try to take a comb to it, it's hard to comb through it. I am easily able to get my comb and really comb through this hair without tangles. That is amazing to me because you don't find that very often. So thank you, Luvme. Thank you, Luvme. Like, I'm able to really comb through that. And look at it. It's still maintaining its curls. It's still maintaining the luster. It's still maintaining the luxuriousness of the curls. And I love that. The curls it's not turning into a big poof ball, but it's beautiful still. Look at that. And you can compare both sides. Look at me comb this hair out. Okay, so look at this hair. I am so impressed with how gorgeous this looks after combing it. Like, usually when I comb my hair, like my wigs or whatever, I usually have them wet with product to detangle them, to make them soft. This was absolutely no product. I put nothing in this hair, no water, no detangler, no leave-in conditioner, nothing. And I was able to comb through it with no problem. And it's still curly. It's still beautiful. It's not dry. It's not like a big nappy poof bar. Listen, I love this hair. All I did, I just sprayed a little bit of some oil sheen on there, and that's it. I really didn't even need that. Like, I really didn't even need that. Listen, beautiful. I'm about to put this headband on real quick, but while I'm putting this headband on, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the details because y'all need to shop like right now. Give y'all the details on this promotion. So first of all, starting this month, they have a promotion: buy one, get one free. What? Whoever heard of such a thing? Buy one, get one free. And guess what? This wig is included in that buy one, get one free sale. Listen, that's perfect for the holidays because if you like me, I got friends who like hair. So I can get one for myself and get one for my mama, sister, best friend, whoever. Like, that's a good gift. Like, that's a good gift. It's the holidays. Come on. You ain't got to wait till Black Friday to get yours. Listen, start now. Go ahead and get you buy one, get one free. And other high quality, affordable wigs are also included in that promotion. So the information is in the description box for you to check out for this promotion and the details on getting this wig. Y'all, I love headband wigs. Listen, okay? I love headband wigs. They're so easy and so convenient. It takes me like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes to do my hair. Slap some edge control on my edges, put that wig on. And another thing I like about it is I can still style it so many ways. Look at the back. It's still so nice and full. It's soft. It's manageable. Come on, need I say more? I love me some headband wigs. And you know what? To be honest with you, this is probably my favorite one because, like I said, me being able to comb through that hair was just amazing. I love that I can style it different ways. I can wear it all down. I can wear it half up, half down. I can put it on a little bun at the top. There's so much you can do. Look how easy it is for me to just grab this and put it in a ponytail. And it's also perfect for different occasions. Like, it's holiday time. People have Christmas parties coming up. People have, things at work and family gatherings and different things like that. It is so easy just to put on and style it in different ways. I don't care if you're going on a trip, having a date night. There's so many ways that you can style this hair. It is so easy and so convenient to style. It is just amazing. I love it. So I was able to get like 4 or 5 styles just out of this particular wig. Like, you can wear it all down if you want to, or half up, half down, like you saw that I already did. Or you can just wrap that ponytail. Y'all saw I just wrap that ponytail up in a cute little bun, and now you have a totally different style that you can do. Or you can have it all up in a ponytail if you want. Like, so easy. Anyone can do this. If you don't have a headband wig, you are missing out of the convenience. Like I said, no glue, no lace to be trying to melt, no got to be glue, no hairspray, no harsh chemicals. Your hair is protected. It is so easy and so cute and so fun to style and play in. I'm telling you, you need to get you one. Cute hairstyle. This is like what? Style number 4. We got it down, half up, half down, top knot bun with some down ponytail. That's style number 4. And then you can just go ahead and take this, wrap it up in a bun. That's style number 5. What? 5 styles? You've got to be kidding me. So listen, y'all. You have to click the link in the description box. Don't forget about the promotion. Buy one, get one free. Get you some hair, give some hair away, or listen, just keep the other wig for yourself if you want to, okay? Holidays coming up, very cute gift ideas, not just on this hair, but other hair as well. So click that link, get you some hair, click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button to turn on the notifications, follow me on Instagram, all of that. Do all of that. Get you some hair, follow me for the next video. Thank y'all for watching, and until next time, peace out.